One of the most important things that we have to teach you is to hinge at your hips. Most people hurt their backs going from sitting to standing by rounding their back. No matter how simple the task is, you must keep the back flat and learn to use your hips. Doing this simple task whenever you go from sitting to standing or bending will reduce the stress on your back so much that I promise it will make a significant difference with how you're feeling. Here are some simple tips that you can start to learn for everyday use. Hip hinge. Go ahead and start by staggering your stance. Begin by hinging your hips backwards with a slight bend, forcing your hips back. Perform 10 repetitions with your left leg, and then you will switch sides and you will do 10 on the opposite side. Be sure to keep your back straight at all times. Standing posture correction. In a standing position, you can also practice hinging at your hips by placing one hand on your lower abdomen and one hand on your tailbone. Maintain a neutral spine and learn to hinge at the hips by tilting your pelvis back and forth while the spine remains stationary.